help me. I don't know how much more of this quarantine I can take. My kids are driving me absolutely crazy. I can't get it all done. I cook them breakfast, and then I have to wipe their snotty noses and get them milk and get them toast. And by the time I'm done with them, my eggs are cold. Then I have to wash the dishes. And then it's time to do the laundry. The never-ending pile of laundry. And clean the house. My kids are little tornadoes. They leave destruction in their path. I can't get the house cleaned fast enough. I just cleaned my bathtub 5 minutes ago. And I walk right back into the bathroom, and what do I see? A big brown streak on the tub. A brown streak. I cook, and I clean, and I clean, and I cook. And there's no rest for Mama. I just need a break. And now they're hungry again, and I've got to cook for them. I just wish there was something fast and easy that I could cook that would make them happy and give Mama a break. Hey y'all! Moms, dads, and grandparents. I know this is a stressful time for everyone, but I've got a fast recipe. In less than 10 minutes, you can cook grilled cheeses in your air fryer. And when you cook a grilled cheese in your air fryer, you use less butter, and that means less calories for all the family members. Use your favorite bread, butter, and cheese, and for fun, try adding a tomato. Butter one side of your bread. Place your bread butter side down. Add cheese to your bread. Butter one side of your second piece of bread. Place second piece of bread butter side up. Now we're just going to butter the bread for our second sandwich. Cheese, yum. And tomatoes for mommies. Now to butter the final side of bread. Some people like to put a thin layer of mayonnaise on the inside of their bread. Cook at 370 degrees for 5 minutes. Flip your sandwiches and cook for 4 more minutes. Adjust time for crunchiness. Less time for a softer sandwich, more time for a crispier one. The grilled cheese is done. It's nice and golden brown. Look how melty the cheese is. And now for the taste test. I can't explain to you just how crispy this is. It's so much different than a skillet. And best of all, I can walk away from it and not have to worry about burning my grilled cheese. This is delicious. I hope you'll give it a try. Leave me a comment below and tell me how you like to fix your grilled cheese sandwiches. Thanks for watching, and please stay safe, my friends.